Bonjour! Hi! Welcome to this stream summary of week 31. So again this week, busy week, we like busy, so let's get started. On Monday, I was streaming on the Microsoft developer channel and I was with Eric Saint-Martin and we were talking about containers, so how to get started with container on Azure. It was super cool. We containerize an application, deploy it from two different ways on Azure and play a little bit like that. Eric promised us he will come back talking about Kubernetes, so more to come. On Tuesday, I was again on the Microsoft developer channel and this time I was with Tyranny. And of course we talk about Node. Tyranny, Node, those things are go together. So we were getting started, so we built a very simple application in Node and then we deploy it into Azure. Again, there was a lot of interaction, a lot of questions and things like that, so Tyranny will need to come back to get more done. So it was really fun. On Wednesday, I was back on my channel on Twitch and I was streaming about this tiny Blazor admin website. So Blazor website, and we were bringing all the functionality from the previous one that had a server side to this new version Blazor. WebAssembly, meaning it's just client side. So we were mostly there. We didn't have the time to finish. Some error was still missing about the delete and stuff like that, so we needed to do that. But otherwise everything was done, the update, the create, the listing, a lot of stuff, so we're getting really in good shape for that project. On Thursday, it was episode 5, or Demystify ARM template with Abel. See, I got your name right this time. So on the DevOps Lab show on Channel 9. So super cool. We were exploring how the variables could make your ARM template much easier to read. There's much more episode coming up, so stay tuned to learn more. On Friday, I was back on my channel and this time we were working on the chatbot. So I'm still continuing to learn JavaScript and Node, and the chatbot, what we want is we want it to be my kind of virtual co-host, so we'll be keep track of different things. So for this purposes, we add the tracking of the new followers. And also the second thing that the chatbot is doing is keeping the best score. So there's a little game in the show people play, and I want to be able to display the highest score and like in order. So we work on that, sorting the result and displaying them in a nice little toaster notification. So we work on that. It was pretty cool. And that's it for this week. I hope you like those short summary video. I think they are useful since you could just pick what you need. If you are interested to participate when we are live, go check those links. The schedule are in there. You will have all the information to join us live, ask your questions. If for any reason you cannot make it for the live, don't hesitate, ask your question down below in the comment section and I will answer it with pleasure. And that's it for now. See you next time. Bye-bye. Still there? Want to know more? What's coming? Okay, let's do that. So next week, I really want to get back on track with my schedule for the Cloud 5 minutes. So the answering technical question in 5 minutes, well, I try to do 5 minutes, but it's always a bit longer. But you know I try. So I was really difficult right now with all the change that happened to keep track on that schedule, but next week I really want to publish something, so I really need to make time for it during my week schedule, but hopefully will work. On the Microsoft developer channel next week I have Laurent Bougnon continuing part 3 of his notification hub, doing Xamarin notification hub on Azure, really interesting project, and I have Maxime Rouillet who's coming continuing the Azure durable Azure function. So 2 projects, super interested, looking forward to do that. That's the real end. See you next time.